Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to this video. All right, so we're gonna do a quick fix for this video. P050D. If you guys have this code, you guys most definitely have a check engine light on. You guys, if you guys don't know what this code is, this is code start rough idle. This is exactly what the code stands for. It indicates that you're having an engine rough idle when starting from a cold state. So if your car or truck has been sitting at ambient temperature for at least a couple hours, it will experience a cold start where your car or truck has to put out some energy to move back up to its normal operating temperature. The difference between a cold start and a warm start is when you guys have a warm start, your vehicle has recently been operated and you get to that temperature a lot quicker. This code in the state indicates that there might be an issue with the idling process aside from what normally happens. So during a cold start, the PCM manages air intake at idle with the idle air control valve IAC. However, it's possible for the air intake to be incorrectly regulated in some way. If it happens, the idle at a cold start might be rough, potentially due to issues with optimum fuel delivery or problems with the timing advance that don't happen at other times. And even if your vehicle runs perfectly well at other times, these misfires can result in serious issues for your car or truck if you guys just leave it the way it is. So if you guys have this P050D code, you guys probably have one or a couple of these symptoms. The drivability tends to be most pronounced during your cold start and the first few minutes of driving, but you might experience problems like engine misfires throughout the times that you're driving. You might notice either a rich or lean exhaust, which might trigger specific OBD2 codes for those circumstances, as well as hissing or sucking noise from engine parts, especially around the throttle body, the brake booster, the PCV valve, or intake manifold gasket. And it's very common to see the check engine light turn on when your vehicle has these codes. So basically, you guys definitely probably want to know what the causes of some of these of this P050D code is. For example, if the engine coolant sensor is malfunctioning, it could result in this problem due to issues with the vehicle that has this problem detecting what is and is not a cold start. Other malfunctioning engine pieces, such as fuel injectors, bad spark plugs, plug boots, and ignition coils, can also result in this problem, as can problems with wiring and connectors attached to those areas, which are a little bit more difficult to figure out. A vacuum leak or an intake system leak can also cause insufficient fuel delivery or insufficient fuel pressure, leading to problems with the air fuel ratio. So you guys probably want to know how serious this issue is. The code doesn't frequently result in severe drivability issue, but doesn't mean that you should assume that it's safe to drive. Obviously, you're going to have a check engine light on. It might drive a little bit rough. You guys have misfires and other issues with this. So that's pretty much what you guys want to look for. If you guys have this code And if you guys have your own personal experience with this, definitely like leave a comment in the comments section and let us know what you guys did to fix it if it wasn't one of these things that I've listed as the things to look for. If you guys have other check engine lights with this code, it's definitely an easier thing to diagnose, because you guys can look into the specifics of this code to figure out what the situation is. In any case, please leave a comment in the comment section. Please subscribe. Please give me a thumbs up. All that good stuff. Appreciate your time. If you guys have your own fixes on this, definitely leave a comment in the comment section. Let us know, and it might help somebody else out in this situation. Or if you guys have a question, just ask the question. It might help you out. Somebody might answer it. I might be able to answer it. It might help you guys out with this situation. Please subscribe. Please give me a thumbs up. All that good stuff. Appreciate your time, guys. Take care.